Sheds a grim light now on the economic situation some kids are facing here in Connecticut.
Yeah, News 8's Allie Reed joins us live tonight from our Fairfield County newsroom with the numbers. Allie.
Good evening, guys. The percentage of children here in Bridgeport living in poverty jumped to 40% last year. That means roughly 1 in 3 kids living in the city is living in poverty.
Out of the nearly 28,000 residents in the state living below the poverty line last year, a large number of them are children, many of them in Bridgeport.
I wasn't surprised at the amount of poverty. What I was surprised by was sort of the number of children who are being born into it.
To put it in perspective, 39.9% of children in Bridgeport are living in poverty, while in Danbury that number is 17.9% and in Stamford 17.5%. I asked Kristen what she thought was responsible for making the number so high here.
I think we have a lot of people, a lot of kids having kids, a lot of folks who can only afford to raise their families here because you can't afford to live anywhere else. And I think largely that the kids who are coming into the system don't have the supportive services or necessarily the family structure that they need to break the cycle.
Her and the city's goal is stopping the cycle. She cites programs like the Bridgeport Alliance for Young Children and a new home visiting program as examples of what the city is doing to provide kids living in poverty with the services and support they need. She says it's all about making sure the kids' needs are being met right from the time they're born, so they have the best chance of starting a new life.
Thinking about how we, over the long term, because it's not going to be over in 2012, but in 15 or 16 years, I hope that my legacy as a health director here is that those kids have other opportunities and other choices.
Read the Census Bureau's full report. You can find it on our website, WTNH.com. Reporting live from the Fairfield County newsroom at the Connecticut Post in Bridgeport, Allie Reed, News 8.